Hello my dear little ones, how are you all? All are fine? Are you ready for today's class? Okay, let's begin our class. So today we will learn number names and ordinal numbers. Okay, so already you have learned number names up to 60, isn't it? Then after that you know how to write, isn't it? If you know the number name 60, number name 60 is S-I-X-T-Y, isn't it? Then it is very easy. 61, S-I-X-T-Y, O-N-E-1, like that. Okay, so you need to study the spelling of these things. 70, what is this? 70, 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. Okay, what is the spelling of 70? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. Okay, then the spelling of 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. Okay, then 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Then 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. So you only study the spelling of these four. Okay, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So once you learn the spelling, then it is very easy for you. Then you have to take page number 55. So it's given here. Okay, so once you learn this spelling, you have to write this in your notebook also. That is 61 to 70, then 71 to 80, 81 to 90 and 91 to 100. Okay, all these things you can write it in your notebook also. Okay, so our next topic is ordinal numbers. Okay, what is this? Ordinal numbers. So you have learned numbers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that you have learned numbers. Now you have to learn ordinal numbers. Okay, നമ്മൾ ഈ ഓട്ട മത്സരമൊക്കെ വെക്കുകയില്ലേ, റേസൊക്കെ വെക്കുമ്പം ആദ്യം ഓടിയെത്തുന്ന ആളിന് എന്താ പറയുക? വി വിൽ സേ ദാറ്റ് ഫസ്റ്റ് അല്ലേ, ഫസ്റ്റ് വന്നെന്ന് പറയും. രണ്ടാമത് വരുന്നയാളോ സെക്കൻഡ്, തേർഡ്, ഫോർത്ത്, ഫിഫ്ത്ത്, സിക്സ്ത്, സെവൻത്ത്, എയ്ത്ത്, നയൻത്ത്, 10th. Have you heard about that? Such numbers are known as ordinal numbers. Okay, അങ്ങനത്തെ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ എന്ത് പറയുക? Ordinal numbers എന്ന് പറയാം. Okay, see, this is a running race competition. Okay, running race competition. So the guy who came first, see, this is the first one. Second, okay, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th and 10th. Okay, so you have to learn this spelling also, ordinal spelling of the ordinal numbers also. Okay, see, now all of you take your textbook. It's given on your textbook also. Okay, page number 66. Okay, see, this is the finishing point. Okay, this is the finishing point and the animal that comes first. This is the animal that comes first. So how will you write? F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. And we will write like this. One എഴുതിയിട്ട് മുകളിൽ ST എന്ന് എഴുതും, first. Then second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. What is the spelling? S-E-C-O-N-D, second. So how will you write this? Second, 2 എന്ന് ഇട്ടിട്ട് മുകളിൽ N-D എന്ന് എഴുതും. Okay, now the animal that comes third, T-H-I-R-D, third. Okay, T-H-I-R-D, third. Then fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Okay, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Then F-I-F-T-H, fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. Okay, so you have to learn all these spellings. Now there is an exercise also, page number 67. See, write the corresponding ordinal number names in the 4 lines. So here this is the first. So we have to write the corresponding ordinal number. Okay, so what is the spelling of first? F-I-R-S-T. First. So you have to write the correct spelling of first. F-I-R-S-T. First. Then second. What is the spelling of second? S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Okay, so you have to study the spelling of this. Okay. The next one is third. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Then what's the spelling of fourth? Yes. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Then fifth. What is the spelling of fifth? F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Then the spelling of sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Then seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh. Okay, S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh. Then spelling of eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. Then spelling of ninth. N-I-N-I-N-T-H. Ninth. N-I-N-T-H. Ninth. Then the spelling of tenth. T-E-N-T-H. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. Okay. So you have to study these spellings. Okay, children. I am giving homework also. Write the number names in the notebook. Then page numbers 68 to 69. Okay, 68 and 69. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.